Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. It's super easy, just follow these steps. First, install and open the Spotify app. Then create a new account using a fresh Gmail account. Once you sign up, you will get the verification email. Open it and tap confirm email. After confirming, close your browser and reopen Spotify. Now tap on Premium and choose the individual fan. You will see an option for free 1-month trial. Select it and enter your card details. Don't worry, you won't be charged right away. Once done, you will get 1 month of free premium. To check, go to settings, account, your plan and you will see it's active. Now enjoy premium for 1 month. Now here's the important part. Make sure to cancel at least a week before your trial ends. To do this, go to account details and tap close your account. Then tap on close my account and delete my data. From there, select cancel subscription and confirm it. After that, you can just create a new account and repeat the process for another free month. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free Spotify Premium.